Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
An easy way to remember how to mix a classic margarita is to memorize the ratio 3-2-1. 3 parts tequila, 2 parts good triple sec, like Luxardo Triplum, Contro, or Combier, and 1 part lime juice. Serve it on the rocks with salt, as pictured, or serve it up in a chilled glass.
Let's help you make your mark.
Margarita mix can be life-saving, especially when you need to please thirsty party guests quickly. Instead of squeezing the juice from dozens and dozens of limes, you simply pour the mix into a pitcher, add your tequila, give everything a good stir, and you're ready to party.
Take our lead.
De Kuyper Triple Sec. Best value. De Kuyper Triple Sec liqueur. This is a classic for a reason. It's sweet but not overly so, and provides just the right amount of citrus flavor for any cocktail, from a margarita to a cosmopolitan. And it's available everywhere. If you're looking for something dependable but not fancy, this is the way to go.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You provide the liquor. For margaritas, a lighter drink calls for half of a 1.75 bottle or about 875 liters of tequila per batch. For average strength drink, use 2/3 of big bottle or 1 liter of tequila. For a stronger drink, use 1.75 liter bottle of tequila, and 750 milliliters to 1 liter of triple sec per batch.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.